shows enter the value. We put value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then enter the time. We put the time as 2, and then we put the interest as 1. And again, when the second time put function was called, then we put the value of 3000, time as 2, and interest as 1. And it calculates the latest value of A, B, and C, and calculates simple interest. We can also calculate the same thing we can also call simple function many times. For example, let us call s.simple here. Now, saving it, and let us try what happened. We are having one error. We have this is typing mistake. We have to write spelling of simple correctly. Saving this. Okay. Again compiling this function. We are having 0 error. Now running this program again. 4400 time as 2, rate of interest as 3. So again, because we are having put function, but what happened to s.simple? We will understand it afterward. Taking the simple interest as 4000, taking the time as 4, and taking the simple interest as 2. So we are getting 160 simple interest. We have called s.simple 2 times in our program. But what it consider is that 4000 into 4, 16,000 divided by 100, that is 160. So it consider the second value of A, B, and C. So what happened to this? When we call put function and give the value of 4400, 2, and 1, it will be stored in A, B, and C. And s.simple also got called. So the value of A, B, C divided by 100 was called here, and it applied. We got SI for the first value of A, B, and C. Then again, while putting A, B, C, 4000, 4, and 1, we get ABC, the new value of ABC, and get again calculated by simple function, but we didn't call the function to our output screen. So it got calculated but never been displayed on our screen. For that, we have to write get function. To understand this, let us again open this program. s.get. Let us check what happened now. Again compiling it. We have 0 error, 0 warning. Putting the value, let us take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, interest as 1. We are getting interest 1, 2, 3, but 0.45 is missing. 3000, 4, 1, 90. Now we are getting values in a good manner. Let us again run this program so that it can be writing here /n, which will change the line. Saving this program and again running this program. Value 12,000, 1 and 1. We are getting simple interest. Again we are putting 3,000, 1 and 1. We are getting the simple interest. Now we are getting all the answer. It happens because we are calling get function also. So we can call n number of times all the function that we want to put on our display. For example, s.put, s.put, s.put. Let us, then it will call put function 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times. And the 5th time after the get function, after running, it will be run according to the sequence. So again, taking an example, taking the value, putting the value 1 and 1. We are getting here simple interest as 1, 2, 3. But if we calculate manually, we will get that the simple interest must be 123.45. Why this happen? Let us understand why this happen. This happened because of the data type we have taken int. If we put it float, saving it, compiling it, we're having 0 error, running it. Now we are getting the answer 123.449977. 0.44997 and so on. So float is also a data type which gives our answer in decimal values. Again, taking another example of int. While running this, taking the value 10,000, 1 lakh, 2 and 2. We are getting the simple interest as 67, which is wrong. If we calculate 1 lakh with the rate of 2% and time 2 years, what we get? We get answer as 4,000. It must be 4,000, but we are getting 67. So why it happens? It happens because the range of integer value is up to 32,000 something. So if the value of integer exists more than 32,000 something, then it will become a garbage value. It will be called garbage value. So this is all. Hope you enjoyed this lecture and understand the concept of class and object. Thank you. Here I am, Pratik Jain, signing it off from my lecture. Okay, sir, complete.